What we didn't realize is how much air we were pulling out of the plant, and it got to the point where in certain departments you couldn't even open the doors because the air pressure was so negative. And we were literally pulling doorknobs out of the doors. I'm not sure where we had heard from Bassett, but we must have gotten a good recommendation and then called you, and you came in and installed air makeup units. We got the plant back to neutral, and so it was a real win for us bringing Bassett in to make our equipment much more effective in terms of airflow through the plant.
I'm not gonna lie, I was not in favor of it. You know, when we first got it, it's like, this is ridiculous, it's expensive. You know, we can take care of that stuff. After we had the program, we sat down and it's like, we started to notice, also, we don't have to take care of this piece of equipment, we don't have to take care of this piece of equipment. It allowed us to concentrate on molding equipment, melt equipment. We didn't have to, when somebody's air conditioner wasn't working, when it was 10 degrees below zero, we didn't have to go out on the roof. So yeah, it was pretty nice.
I think we have a great relationship. Had a pretty long history with them, and so I don't believe there's any reservation on their end to give us a call whenever they need something. I don't believe there's any reservations on our end when we tell them we want to do something a certain way. They're open to our suggestions, and so I think that offers more opportunities because of that relationship.
We use them exclusively. We don't bid, we don't go out. When our VP of Operations took over and we first started talking, and he asked me about it, I said, just call Bassett. That's what we used, and we've been loyal to the company because you've done a great job for us. So it's been a no-brainer.
I just like that I can make a phone call. I can get somebody here. They understand exactly what I'm asking them to do, and I don't have to follow behind. They take care of it. They send us a quote. We send a PO. They come in, take care of it. It's done. I don't have to follow behind and make sure that they're doing everything the way that we want it done.
You know, we spend a lot less time on tasks that take away from being a productive operation. With the maintenance agreement, it frees up our people to handle emergencies, oversee things, better manage it on our end because they're not spending so much time on day-to-day tasks and things that Bassett takes care of for us now. From an environmental standpoint, we don't have any trouble with the EPA or the Department of Natural Resources. We flow through regular audits without any problem. So that frees up management time that me in particular is not dealing with state or federal agencies and compliance issues. So it just makes our life a lot simpler and allows us to concentrate on just making castings.